Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. We are back with a fresh update today on Indian markets, and we'll be analyzing the oldest index in India, that is the BSE Sensex index. So, this is the daily chart for the Sensex. The indicator applied here is Gann Supremacy version 369, and this is a dynamic seasonal chart for the Sensex index. So you must have heard about dynamic prices and fixed prices in Gann theory or Gann analysis. Okay. But here we are looking at the dynamic time, that is the dynamic seasonal analysis. So as per the dynamic seasonal analysis, we can see that the double bottom was formed around here first in 11th August 2025 at 8604, and not that it was on, yeah, it was on 8th August, that was 79,775.84, and then another bottom was formed here on 79,741.76. So these were the two reference points for Sensex, and from here this cycle has moved and made a new all-time high. Now, if you know the Gann's law of vibration, then this was the support taken on the birth zone, and the move started here. This was the longest run in the section considered here. Now, here the Gann 50% rule worked. We took support nearly on the 50%, and from there we made another attempt to go up and made a all-time high. Now, here, after making this high, we made a correction and made a lower high. So here Nifty made a new all-time high, but Sensex could not make a new all-time high. Because of that divergence, we could find that Sensex was weak here. So once we broke the death zone level here at 85,372. Now, mind you, this is dynamic, because if we go and play the replay, then the level would be different here. Okay. So we struggled here at the 50% level, tried to go up, but the bounce back failed. We could clear only one level on the Gann's law of vibration. So failing here, it brought it nearly to the birth zone again. Okay. So here the trend on Sensex will be positive if we stay above 83,160 as seen on the chart. Now we are trying to pull back from the birth zone. So currently the level of 82,410 is very important on the daily chart. Now coming to the, this is on the daily chart, looking at the seasonal analysis. Now if you are coming to the intraday part, today we are having the monthly expiry on Sensex. So we have to change the time frame. So let us take 15 minutes, and then you have the range change on the dynamic indicator. Our indicator, our indicator, which shows the current range. Now you will see again here a double bottom formed on Sensex. First bottom was on 21st Jan at 10:45 at 81,124.45, and then second bottom was formed on Tuesday 9:15 morning candle. It was 81,088.59. Now if you'll see here on the first run, we could not sustain above the 50% level. We came down, consolidated, made another attempt. So we could not cross this Gann level. Okay, you will see this golden colored level was not crossed on both the times. Okay, so this was an time to go short. This was on time to go short. Correct. And we consolidated on the lower level. Okay, but here we broke the level decisively, and then we came to make a double bottom. Now again we saw consolidation around the same level, then support taken here on the birth zone on Tuesday at 2 o'clock, and then we had a fantastic run on the Sensex intraday, and yesterday morning candle we made a high here. Okay, and we moved nearly to the dead zone. Currently, we are at the dead zone. So, on intraday basis, 82 340 could be the level to watch, and the trend decider level is 81 802. Okay, so intermediate levels are 82 160, 82 160, and here you can have 81 972. Okay, so this way you can analyze the Sensex with our indicator Gann supremacy version 369. The indicator is available on TradingView. All you have to do is go and contact the author for its use. It's a paid indicator, so you would need a subscription to use the indicator. The versatility of the indicator is it can be used on any time frame, and it can be used for all the charts available on TradingView. So this will definitely shorten your work of analysis, and you can come to conclusion within 5 to 10 minutes of the analysis or the time spent on the chart to know where you are and where you can put your trades. So that's all from me at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Thank you for joining.